am a desert. Enipa no ma no ya den e wo opposition pa na Yewura Muhammad ka am appointment.
Enije ashemima mehu majikwa nije mima mehu majikwa mehu nasu Kristo banya ashemima nije ashemima mehu majikwa. Welcome to this episode of the Political Rant with me, the voice, right here on Ghana Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Hey, Ato! Hey, Ato! Ato, it is me, oh! Hey, Ato! Ato Forsen has been nominated as a Minister of Finance. And then also, John Jinapo has been nominated as a Minister of Energy. And Dr. Dominic Ayine has been nominated as Attorney General and the Minister for Justice. And MPP people are singing, Enije, Ashemimo. Why are MPP people happy? The reason MPP people are happy is because over the past 8 years, some of the voices that were so loud, that were constantly criticizing the government of Akufo-Addo, Ken Ofori-Atta, anybody who was at the Ministry of Energy, that is from Peter Amewu to Napo to Herbert Krapa, has been Dr. Cassiel Ato Forsen and then John Jinapo. Especially these two. They have been so happy. They have been criticizing Akufo-Addo. That's why MPP is happy. Fela McAfee or someone else or Tunyombi say, if it is yours, come and collect. Now, it has become theirs, they are collecting. And then, MPP or foot soldiers or members of MPP are saying, say, each and every one of the records of the Akufo-Addo Bawumia government is available. We know every single project that was carried out by the Akufo-Addo Bawumia government. And because we know them, we know where they are, we have the videos, we have the pictures, they are going to hold this current government of the NDC by that marking scheme. Whatever Akufo-Addo Bawumia did, NDC must ensure, say, they do even better. We are not going to accept any excuses, and we are not going to accept any downgrading of the marking scheme Akufo-Addo Bawumia have set. Because Ato Forsen, on several occasions, Dr. Cassiel Ato Forsen kept on criticizing Ken Ofori-Atta, when attack even his private investment. They did everything possible to make Ken Ofori-Atta look like the devil at the finance ministry. And so now, you see, Abaya di bought the chino, and no answer na di boba. And yes, if I'm wrong, correct me. Abaya di bought the chi, and no one di boba. And the Abaya di bought Ken Ofori-Atta. Abba Dr. Cassiel Ato Forsen himself led NDC to bu techi aye Ken Ofori-Atta with no sabana na afenyo maken any the whole MPP and one yesu ye di bebo Dr. Cassiel Ato Forsen. When taxes were brought on so that we can get more revenue and do better than the 13.9% of GDP that we were doing, Dr. Cassiel Ato Forsen said, no. The taxes are draconian taxes. Draconian, wicked, senseless taxes. So now Dr. Cassiel, going into the Ministry of Finance, we believe that you are the Ajinkwa. You are the Ajinkwa of the Ministry of Finance. You know it all. You are the tax expert. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, Ato, now that you are going, please, those draconian taxes must go. You promise them. Now, our cocoa farmers also, Dr. Atufo said, they are really waiting giddy for April or March when you read the budget. Because we know you are going to be approved as a finance minister. So by March or April, your budget should be ready, your first budget. Ato, yeah. The price of a bag of cocoa must go beyond 6,000 Ghana cedis. Because the same Dr. Kasiel Atofo said, during the campaign period, said Akufo-Addo's government was wicked and was stealing and was robbing cocoa farmers.
Of Ghana, you better make sure say about the performance. We are going to benchmark it with the performance of MPP in terms of everything, sector by sector. And in it's too early for him. And I am a say. Nipa no manu ya den e wo position pa na Yewura Mahama Adika am appointment. Especially when you are John Jinapo penny honorable Atofo sen. Nipa no manu ya den and I am den say o man panyini Mahama do ma to biaya na manu ya den wo ho. And the kokofu ahwe me. Me nua no mu ye kokofu. The moment ada Yewura Atofo sen e mra se bedwafo e be approve ni be wie no. The next day more expecting is about announce a new cocoa price or anything less than the 6,000 cocoa for money will become. This is his promise to the cocoa farmers of this country. The cocoa oh no, almost 10,000. You never be tested. You have point this year, but battle force in Abaso. We will not shy away from it. Cocoa they deserve better. MPP are buying.
When did you realize all this?
Akufo-Addo was robbing cocoa farmers. That Akufo-Addo that took the price of cocoa from around 475 to 3,100 was an armed robber and a day robber robbing cocoa farmers. That he, Atofo, believed that one bag of cocoa should be sold not less than 6,000 Ghana cedis. And so now that Dr. Kasiel Atofo is the Minister of Finance designate and is going to be approved. In fact, he went through vetting today. And the vetting, the issues arising from the vetting, you are going to receive the update in subsequent videos. Woto. Now that he is the Minister of Finance, cocoa prices must go beyond 6,000 Ghana cedis, 16 million old currency. All these things are the things that we remember and we are going to hold Atofo accountable for. Now, John Jinapo, Minister of Energy. Who name na your light go over? Who name? Say who name na who name? Now some the dumso eba bioma. John, enye ye maye. Yebe kunsa. The way Amewu, then Napo, and then Herbert Krapper manage to keep our light on. Let the light be on like that. We don't want any excuse at on, any explanation. Nothing. Let the light be on. No. If the light is not on, if it's not kept on, then you have Ghanaians to contend with. This has been the political round with me, the voice, right here on Ghana and Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends so that we get more people to join and listen to the good news according to the New Patriotic Party. Until then, bye bye. See you in the next one. Cheers.